Oh, the birds came and took the one that was on the side of you.
Why, you stupid birds? $25.
Taylor, just don't move.
Color up my burger.
Oh, it's coming.
Well, looks like we're
It's
gonna have a
coming.
taker.
We have a customer.
So terrified.
Come on.
Oh, he's
Alright,
so
Taylor, don't move. Don't move. Alright, he's getting closer.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Stinky.
Slinky. This bird's like, what the heck? You know, it'd be funny if we trained him to do this, and then all of a
Alright,
sudden
more
people would
coming.
just...
More showing up. More showing up.
It's like Ted's tagging right next.
You know, it'd be so funny if we trained him to do this, and then people were just eating their fries casually, and then just like, bam,
Taylor,
gone.
don't move. We're gonna throw a flag to you.
Here, I got it. Okay.
Just eat it out of his mouth. Wait, we got a customer. Oh. Come on, there's more.
Come on, land. Stupid bird.
Land, stupid birds. He's gonna do it. They're so good. Ready?
Do it again.
Hold on.
They can
Let me grab these.
trust you.
Eat that fry.
You guys realize we're just wasting our food?
How is this a waste? This is gonna entertain millions of people.
Wait, we're gonna get off our food though.
He wants the fries.
Come on,
He wants it. Come on. You know you want it.
Come on. Come on.
This person's just taking a
Alright,
big...
shh.
You want the fries?
You want it. They're all like...
Alright guys, be quiet.
Get it!
Take the fries. That one's got no leg. One leg.
Oh, the walk up. He's trying to sneak in.
Come on.
Stay still. Yo, we need to move our food.
Yeah, we do.
Alright, move your food.
Here, Steve, hold my burger, please.
Yeah, take this. Come.
Thank
Pass
you.
it down.
Pass it down.
Daylon's. Okay, Daylon's here. Alright,
Here.
someone grab the rest of that.
Steve.
Pulling right on his chest.
Yo, get a little piece of a burger. See what that does.
Dude, you're very...
Come on. Who wants it?
What's going?
Alright, guys, stay still. Yo, toss me to a french fry. Let me set it on him.
Get it.
This one's got one leg.
Oh my god, that one leg. Yes!
What was it doing? It's like drooling.
Are we gonna get arrested?
For what? Feeding the wild?
Yeah, I'm not sure what you guys are doing, but I'm sure you're breaking some law.
Come on.
Why do you love that fry? So I'll make it look appetizing.
Oh, what are we good for
Put it on my head.
No. The one's right behind.
Oh, you put it in the other
You put it
end.
in the wrong
A
end.
bird chewed on that.
That's disgusting. This is getting old.
Are you serious?
Alright, it's like 10 minutes now.
Yes, he is. One of them tried to take it, but they couldn't.
Yeah.
Dude, he's gonna take it.
Alright, right.
Get it, baby
Get
girl.
it.
Oh, come on.
Guys, maybe if you all back up a little bit.
Back up, everyone back up.
Come back like this way to the bench.
We're gonna have a battle to the death to decide who gets it.
Oh my god.
Stop throwing food!
Say what? Say what?
This guy's zeroed in. Zaylon has so much courage.
Oh my god! Wait, how many are staying?
Stay still.
Take the front. He's going. He's going.
He's gonna do it! No, come on, do it! Do it! Yes!
Oh, dude, you've earned that $5.